Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you get free NFTs or mint tokens into your Bitget wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to get free, you just simply have to open Bitget Wallet, and after opening the Bitget, you will get to see this option of more. Just simply tap to more button, and after tapping into there, you will get this option of NFT into markets and trade. Just simply select NFT, and after going in here, you will get to see this option of free mint. Select free mint, and it will lead you to the web of Bitget Wallet free mint. Now into here, you will get so many small charts, airdrop experience, and many more tools. You just simply have to participate into any of these options that are available into here, where you can get airdrops of NFT and mint points. Just simply select any of those, and it will redirect to that specific web or that site. As you can see here, this is showing that I am late because this is already ended, and the task was like this. The first task says custom actions on website, then app install, and something like this. And by completing the task, you will get points, and in the basis of points, you can get and claim rewards. This way, you can easily get free rewards into Bitget Wallet. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.